bore in here at the moment. This rest is too low and well below the centre height. If I just start the lathe and put a mark in with a pencil, you'll see where the centre of this piece is on the camera quite easily. Hopefully that shows up, yeah. And when I come in here, if I do that, you can see I'm way below that centre point there. If I try to push that in there, well, it will just kick me back and will whip me around wherever. The idea of this is that this rest, the point of this gouge, I bring bring the gouge vertical with the flute towards me here. The rest is set up so this tool is then parallel to the spindle of the lathe or whatever. It's at that height. At the moment it's too low, so I've got to raise this so that point hits exactly the centre. If it does that, it'll just bore in here like with twist wheel going in or a shell auger or whatever. But if it was a long grind, like a 30-degree spindle gouge, it's too long a bevel and it will want to kick you back. The short stubby handle allows you to bore a hole in here dead easily if I get the rest set up right. If I don't, then it kicks back at you. So I'm into there now, I'm in the centre. If it's cutting right, you just lean on the tool and bore yourself a hole in there. And on something as deep as this, I normally do this in stages. But if I've got my 3/8 twist drill that I normally have, I put a masking tape mark on it and just lean in it and bore a hole in there. In the days of when Ed Maltcott was around, I worked with Ed in the 80s. I spent 4 days with his workshop in Atlanta. And all Ed's vessels were anything from complete diameters of logs and so forth, and it was peg-treated materials apart from the roughing state. And he used to bore his hole in the middle, because some of these pieces were 3 feet and 4 feet diameter. And he used to have a carpenter's wheel brace, that's what he had. It's not a wheel brace, the crank panel one. And he used to put his drill in there, and it'd be like a sawtooth bit sort of thing, in there.